Hello, fellow Stitchers. I'm Cher Johnston. Welcome to my happy place. We're going to work on our Stitch Dictionary today, and I think I have just 3 more variations of the chain stitch to do on this page. This is a slipped chain stitch. I'm going to make a chain stitch and then go in and tack it down here. I'm going to come up here and then I'm going to use the eye end of the needle to go through there, and I can tighten that back down and then go back down here. Now this one came from a Sue Spargo book. I'm going to show you the cover of the book in just a minute, but I don't have permission from her to show the book or to do stitches online. I've emailed and asked her and haven't heard back, so we're going to just I'll show you the cover of the book, but there is a lady on YouTube. Her name is Ariane Zürcher, and she is left-handed. She has some fabulous tutorials. She does some right-handed tutorials also, which is really kind of cool. That would make her ambidextrous, I think. Maybe not. Maybe she just tries to show. Anyways, she showed this one. So there's the slipped chain stitch. You can also do more than one little slip thingy. It's kind of a cool stitch, I think. And these can be pointed any direction. In fact, I'm going to put in a third one and I'm going to make it go straight across just to show you. Ta-da! So, and I'm going to show you. I have, this is DMC thread 807. I'm using all 6 strands. And this is, hold on, because I have 2. This is the book that I'm using. Creative Stitching, 2nd edition, Sue Spargo. Having a bit of a discussion on Facebook with one of my subscribers about Sue Spargo stuff. This is from the Sharon Bogan book. This is a woven detached chain stitch. I'm going to make it kind of long just because I want to. And I'm going to hope that I have enough thread. I'm going to go down there, come back up here. All right. I'm going to go in that way. And then in this 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 way, and then this way. I gotta be honest, I don't really like this one very much. I prefer the woven picot. This one is thinner. I'm sure that there would be uses for it. Or I keep putting my hand right in the way there. I'm very distracted by the next stitch because I learned a new stitch today. It's the crested chain stitch, and I'm going to end this off and get new thread, and I'll be back. Okay, I got more thread, and this time it is 3808, kind of a teal color DMC thread. And I'm going to start over here. I'm going to go left to right. And I'm going to make my stitches kind of big so that you can see them. I'm going to link the video from Ariane Zürcher. She does, I think she does pretty small little stitches because it looks cool. It looks a lot cooler with small stitches. Now, wait. Wrap the thread that way. And pull through, and I'm pulling sort of up. Then I'm going to go back through that little bar there, and then start the next chain stitch. I really think if this is closer together, so that there isn't a gap like that, it's a lot prettier. And with like a tighter, a tighter, you know what I mean, smaller stitches. Like if this was really close there, but then you couldn't see what I'm doing. Okay, wrap that way. Then to end off, I'm just going to go back in there and end off. And that is the crested chain stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.